CH2M Hill Plateau Remediation Company has officially completed its third quarter of work, which means we have a lot to talk about. The Department of Energy and CH2M make daily progress towards cleaning up the Hanford site. Whether our workforce is size-reducing legacy equipment for disposal or treating contaminated groundwater, ultimately, our number one priority is to protect human health and the environment, which includes protection of the Columbia River. This quarter, we received recognition for our commitment to working safely and promoting safety 24/7. The Voluntary Protection Program Participants Association awarded CH2M with its Region 10 Safety and Health Outreach Award. It recognized the sludge treatment project for its successful use of Massive, the project's testing facility that allowed workers to train and develop procedures in a rad-free environment, and has allowed workers to address and resolve worker hazards and improve worker efficiencies.
You know, it's makes you feel good, makes you feel like, hey, you're part of a team that goes out of their way to do things safely, do things right.
At the annual Community Health and Safety Expo, CH2M demonstrated safety 24/7 through science, technology, engineering, and math-themed booths. Our company won an award for the best safety message, safety by choice, not by chance.
So one of the nice things about the expo is we take the things that we practice out at work, the safety aspects of work, and then we show them in practical ways, things that we can use 24/7.
This quarter, one of our own was recognized with a national award. Procurement Director Pat Marmo was recognized by the Department of Energy for his work with small businesses to advance Hanford cleanup. For groundwater, we've made major upgrades to the membrane bioreactors at the 200 West Pump and Treat facility. They are like filters that help increase capacity at the pump and treat.
Personally, I feel very proud to be part of this. It was one of the larger tasks I had ever really been associated with in my career here at Hanford, and to see it come off pretty much seamlessly and flawlessly, great sense of accomplishment. Very proud of the work crew, the team.
Workers also drilled 19 wells in support of groundwater cleanup. At T-Plant, workers made over 40 safe entries into the canyon. They entered wearing anti-contamination suits and air purifying respirators. They removed more than 60 tons of legacy equipment to make room for eventual sludge storage that is currently in a basin close to the Columbia River.
I couldn't be more proud of this team. They took a really complex, tough job, made it look easy, and they did it safely and compliantly. You can't ask for anything more than that.
Workers completed fabrication of equipment that will eventually be installed inside of T-Plant, meeting an important performance measure. The equipment includes leak detectors and other machinery that will help manage the sludge once it's stored at T-Plant. The Environmental Programs and Strategic Planning team led the company through a successful environmental management system external audit, yielding a recommendation that our certification continue. The Waste and Fuels Management Project worked 270 days without a serious injury, while making significant progress on waste storage and disposition decision documents, cesium and strontium capsule dry storage efforts, and managed the successful construction of the new transfer line to the 200 West Pump and Treat facility. Plutonium finishing plant crews safely made progress towards demolition, with significant decontamination work completed inside the McCluskey room and the plutonium reclamation facility, plus glove box and ancillary building removal. Our prime contracts team is leading the development and submittal of major documents that will determine our goals and requirements for recent work scope that has transitioned to CH2M. CH2M workers are proudly investing in our community by participating in local walks, golf tournaments, building trails on Badger Mountain, and working with Habitat for Humanity to build homes. From our employees' volunteer efforts to our investments in the community, We at CH2M are committed to enhancing our future, changing lives, and most importantly, protecting the Columbia River.